Rosanna shows me her deep-fried buffalo mozzarella that's stuffed with tagliolini. This is one of Rosanna's trademark recipes, and she was saying because we have three fantastic elements people love. You have mozzarella, you have tagliolini pasta in the middle, and then it becomes nice and golden fried. Okay.
Una mozzarella.
So mozzarella.
E la mettiamo nel microonde.
Okay, so you put the mozzarella in the microwave.
Sì.
Let me get this straight. You get the fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella.
And you put it in the microwave. Può essere.
E può essere sì che può essere. Dell'acqua
Michelin
no.
Star.
Michelin Star. Tutto
And
è
done.
possibile.
Everything's possible. So you save the milk.
Sì.
Because this is all goodness that you can use for other recipes.
Per tutte le ricette,
Sì.
per tante ricette.
So you've just melted the mozzarella just to kind of flatten it out. So it gets nice and hot so it can be reattached. So you're making it kind of into a little ball. Look at that. And that's amazing because it's like the original shape of the mozzarella. È come
prima.
Esatto, just
Come
like
prima.
before we started. So you just want to add it to a cold water bath so the mozzarella kind of solidifies. And now you're going to flour it.
E poi?
So now uova, egg wash. So because the mozzarella has lots of milk and lots of cream, you want to do this crushed 3 times. This whole process of flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. I just asked Rosanna, I said, so how did you come up with these recipes? Did you wake up one morning? She says, no. The trick is I go on diets. And then when I'm starving, I come up with these ideas, these combinations. She goes, that's what happens. Go on a diet, and then you come up with a little bit of creativity. First, Rosanna ladles in some sweet pea sauce, and then she adds a brush of reduced balsamic with this gorgeous tomato skin, and she places it right on the balsamic. And then she finishes it with her roasted tomato sauce. And that becomes a nice contrasting sauce with the sweet pea sauce. And then she adds the golden mozzarella ball right on top. Non voglio rovinare questa cosa di arte. This is a tough job. It's a tough job, Rosanna.